The town of Woodbridge, New Jersey is installing rain gardens to help prevent flooding. Rain gardens are concave patches of land that help capture water so it doesn't flood surrounding areas. The water will instead slowly soak into the ground.
Okay, so the water's shooting down the parking lot here, goes to the curb, travels along the curb and hits this structure here and goes right into the garden. The water will fill this up and will slowly percolate into the ground.
It's pretty interesting. Rain gardens can hold up to 50,000 gallons of water per year.